it's the Midnight Raven, and in my last box of filming for today, because I'm exhausted in this heat, is the blue one. So we have come to the end of the road. We've done the pink one, we've done the yellow one, and now we are going to suffer the fate of buying a blue one. If you'd like to help fund my addiction to mystery boxes, consider a PayPal, a super chat, a membership which gives you extra videos, or you could just like and subscribe to me and that would help me in the algorithm. Or a PayPal will go directly to my account and I can fund my shopping habit even quicker than YouTube giving me the money. So today we are opening this box, $9.99 for £25 of value. The box contains 5 items. 90% of this will probably be stuff I've had before because for some reason the colours don't make a difference. I've bought 3 boxes this month and they look like they're going to have all the same items. HMB, sort it out. Please do each box and have different items. Make your boxes worth buying because I love buying them, but it is costing me a bomb and you are scamming us by having them all with the same shit. Just saying. So here we go. Let's open it up. I don't have high hopes for this box. And my hopes have been dashed. Let's take a look. So, again, the same badge of My Hero Academia. It's been in all 3 boxes this time. Beginning to get angry. So, My Hero Academia, if you've never seen this before, I've had it in literally every box I've ever got from them. I have an entire stack of them, and I plan to send them to my friend when I have enough. Still don't know the guy's name. Then we have the Dragon Ball Z stuff again. If you've seen the previous 2 videos, you know what I'm going to say. It's a Dragon Ball pencil case. It's not broken this time. Not yet. It does look like it should hang on the wall, which I don't quite get. Maybe you can tear that bit off because it looks stupid. But you have a pencil, a sharpener, a rubber, a ruler, and a pen, all for school in this little clear case that says Dragon Ball Z. So another repeat again. We have the colouring pencils. They've appeared in all 3 boxes. I really am becoming angry with HMB. Although it does have a sharpener in the top, which is kind of unique. You don't usually get a pencil case thingy with thingy in the top. It's also got 2 posters inside that probably look like this pencil case, kind of tube, for you to colour and get all the pens in there, which is pretty cool, I would say. If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z or colouring, I do find that these boxes are kind of directed to children-ish. Next, you have another repeat item, a Bird of Prey sticker. Again, it's been in all 3 boxes now. Another repeat item, Stormtrooper Book. It's been in quite a few boxes now. And it's been in the last 2 that I've done. Again, it's not a bad book, mind you. Like I said in the previous 2 videos, if you've watched all 3, I gave this to my son. I've got another one for Christmas for him. And I'm probably going to sell the rest because I don't need 3 of the same book, although they are kind of nice. Then we have my favourite item in all 3 boxes because it is the Ghostbusters mug. Another mug. If only they had listened to me and put different mugs in each box, I could have had 3 different mugs. But no, I now have 3 Ghostbusters ones. Because HMV are that crazy, they don't make sense. I just don't get it. Why? Why have all 3 boxes with the same items? The fact that they're different colours, you would assume different stuff. It's misleading and technically it's scamming people in my eyes. But that's just me. HMV is scam box. And then last of all, we have another repeat item. And this is a poster, but it is different but the same. So in the previous box, I will link it up here, we got a Harry Potter poster set. This is a different poster set, and this is technically their junior posters or their weird posters. So you get 3 different posters. You get this one, with all the characters. Then you get this one with Harry Potter. And then you get this one. And then when you put them together, they make one giant picture of them kind of looking like tweens. Like teenagers, or like kind of like Funko Pop kind of style figures, I guess you could say. But it is a different poster, but it is still Harry Potter. It is still a poster set. So if you want to say technically it's a new item, and technically it's a repeat item, just a bit different. But if you want Harry Potter poster set, then I guess this is the box for you, because we now have two different ones. So this is the only new item in the box. Disappointed is boiling up inside me. Next, you got the mug, which is great, but I now have 3. The notebook, again, don't need 3. Stickers, dime a dozen. The Dragon Ball Z stuff, again, it's really cool, but now I have 3 sets. And then the My Hero Academia thing, I must have about 10 of these. So, boys and girls, what have we learnt today? Not to buy mystery boxes from HMV, that they're a total scam, and that no matter what you do or what boxes you buy, they have the same shit in from HMV. So I have bought numerous boxes from 2 different stores and ended up with the same items in 3 different coloured boxes. My question will be, why have different coloured boxes for the same stuff? If you're going to do 3 different boxes, make them so they have 3 different lots of stuff. Stop selling them as mystery boxes in different colours so people buy multiple ones of them and find they've got the same stuff. It's just not nice, HMV. It really is in poor taste. Sort it out, because I love these boxes. But if I wasn't a YouTuber and I wasn't unboxing these, and I bought these for Christmas and I bought 3 different ones and they all had the same shit in it, I would be furiously disappointed and you would probably ruin Christmas for me. But as I'm a YouTuber, I suck it up and I persevere. But if you'd like to help fund some of my money back from this atrocious 3-box haul from HMV, a PayPal, a super chat, a super thanks, or just like and subscribe and help me in the algorithm. I'm going to take some pictures for Instagram, so if you want to see them, follow me. I am the Midnight Raven. If you want more videos like this, then please consider donating or supporting the channel so I can continue to do this. I do work, but I do love doing this as a hobby as well. And I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and don't buy any HMV mystery boxes. See you soon. Bye.